Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox the brand new Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. These are Oppo's latest true wireless earbuds that promise premium design, powerful bass and long battery life at an affordable price. So let's open the box and see what you actually get. On the front of the box, you can see the image of the earbuds along with the box branding. The design already looks clean and minimal. On the backside, Oppo has mentioned some key features like long battery life, Bluetooth connectivity and enhanced sound quality. This is the black color variant and honestly the packaging looks quite premium for the price. As I have bought from flipkart.com, open box delivery is available in flipkart.com, so I have already opened the box. On opening the box, you can see the first thing that you will get is the case. The case looks very sleek and compact and lightweight. It has a smooth matte finish which feels really nice in hand. And inside the case, here are the earbuds. The design looks modern and stylish. The earbuds feel lightweight and the build quality feels solid. This should be comfortable for long listening sessions. I have Realme Buds Ear 7. The size of those buds are actually very big, and here I can see that Oppo earbuds are smaller compared to Realme Ear 7, which will give you enhanced hour of music listening. Now let's see what else you get inside the box. There is no charging cable inside the box, extra ear tips for different ear sizes and the user manual and documentation. There is everything that you need to get started. The case is very compact and easy to carry in your pocket. The hinge feels strong and the magnetic connection is secure. I have tested the earbuds for a couple of hours and I can say that the quality of the music is very good. Though you will not get active noise cancellation, yet during calls in indoor condition you can get enough clarity and there is no added noise in the background. While listening to music, you will get powerful bass, clear audio quality, good battery backup, and also the vocals are very clear and mids are also very clear. But if you compare it with any OnePlus earbuds or Realme Buds Ear 7, the bass will be on the lower side in this TWS. I will test the earbuds for a couple of days and I will share my honest opinion with you so that you can make the decision of buying it or avoiding or skipping the TWS. So this is the unboxing video of Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.